We are amidst floodwaters in Matyapada, Konasa. This is one of the other numerous villages that have been severely affected after the Daya river flew in and broke several mud bridges. We are travelling with the Odisha Fire Services, who have been dedicatedly working in rescuing the villages who have been stuck in the floodwaters. Animals, children, nobody has been spared the wrath of the raging Daya river. Houses have been completely submerged and the residents have moved to the terrace. Half of the residents have been rescued and taken to higher and safer places by the Odisha Fire Service personnel. We can see the personnel rescuing the villagers stuck in their houses. They don't have any means of travel except for to wait for the rescue boats. People also have made their own rescue boats out of this misery by using tires and branches. There are snakes and other poisonous insects that have flown into the village and the floodwaters, therefore making it more unsafe for the villagers.
बसलु संजा ये रोटा गोटा गलिया पड़ा 4-5 जन लोक गले सेपटे गाड़ी गलापर से झाड़ा बसिले पशा कला भाया से बसिले बस भर से पकई कौन कले तापर तो 10-15 मिनट 20 मिनट भितर गोटा भसौकिना गोटा गलिया आसला ये रोटार तो शोला
करीब 350-400 लोग।
सुबह कितने बजे से शाम?
सुबह 7 बजे से शाम 6 बजे तक।
The Odisha Fire Services have been working continuously from morning 7 until late evening and rescuing people stuck in their flood-struck homes and rescuing them to safe places. सबसे मुश्किल किसको रेस्क्यू करना हो रहा है? सबसे मुश्किल कहाँ पे आप फेस कर रहे हैं?
कहाँ पर छोटे-छोटे बच्चे और औरत को मुश्किल से निकाला और जानवर सांड और बकरी और गाय को फंसा होता है उनको भी उच्च स्थान पर लेके रेस्क्यू किया।
It takes a human to just be more human to rescue not only human beings but also animals.
रेडियो तो उलेना रस्सी धरियो जे टाणिया पाए।
जो गाई गोरु माने जो आसिकरी वर्तमान बंध उपर आश्रय रहिसंती जदि भविष्य में वर्षा हुए तेल गाई गोरु मैंने एमाने बड़ हरान सम्मुखीन हेबे एवं सहजतः मशा फसारे गाई गोरु वर्तमान सुधा भी गाई गोरु खाद्य पाऊना गाई गोरु केमिति बंचिबे आउ लोकंकर एपर्यंत लोक भी सुखिला खाद्य पाई पारे ना जदि गाई गोरु जदि कौन सरकार तरफ जदि पॉलिथिन की कौन व्यवस्था करा ताहले से माने एरु बंची पारे जो वर्षा फर्षा एरु बंची पारे
खाया को किछि नै घर द्वारा पानी बुड़ी की रही थी आसना आती किए।
The world is dealing with one of its worst crises in the current times. While we are under phases of lockdown and unlocks, social distancing is the word everywhere. Wearing a mask seems to be compulsory. But can everybody actually afford that? Right now we are standing in one of the flood-struck areas in district Puri. After continuous rains in various parts of Odisha for the last few days, this is one of the other numerous villages that have been completely submerged. Odisha fire personnel are continuously rescuing people from their submerged houses. How can we hope for them to maintain social distancing and save themselves from the virus? People seem to be very angry with the government since dry food has not reached them as promised. They are struck with hunger and water in their homes. They think that their cattle would die if there's more rain in the upcoming days. This is just one village that we got to visit. Lakhs of people and their livelihoods have been affected. Also, there is an upcoming exam that is going to decide the future of millions of students. And obviously, the pandemic is not forgotten, but the flood-stricken villages have chosen their priorities. Ground reporting for Odisha Links.